Okay, and welcome to Wigan RC, and today we finally got out to do a test speed run on the Arrma Kraton. So it's been a while. You've seen in previous videos we've done some upgrades with some GPM parts, and it's looking awesome. And we've got a 4070 that we're going to test out today and see what happens. I've re-glued the GRP, so hopefully they'll hold up. And we're running a 6-cell battery, and we've only got a 29 tooth pinion on there, but we will change that out when we see what kind of speeds we're gonna get. Okay, we've got our body ready to go on. Let's turn on our GPS and get that started. Wait for it to get the satellites, and then we'll put on our fans and get ready to rumble. Turn down these rates a little bit on the steering. Okay, let's start these fans. Keep everything cool. Let's reset the GPS. Record peak. Those fans are really going. So, just running a 29 tooth pinion and a 34 spool, and we're ready to rumble. Okay guys, let's set our steering. Steering looks okay. Looks like it's going straight. Our car's coming, typical when I'm going to start. Wait for the car. Okay. Okay, should be enough. Let's try and hold this straight. Okay. Didn't was a bit scared to give it full throttle on the first pass.
Yeah, you don't. The tyres need to warm up.
Yeah.
Give it 2 or 3 runs before you actually get there.
Yeah, true.
Because if they're not warm up, they'll just slide.
Okay. Warm up and do a couple of runs. Okay. Woo! Lift it up a bit.
That was 72 on that.
Yeah. I'm definitely going to have to put a little bit of weight on the front end. Sounds like it's getting a little bit warm. Yeah, so we'll... Okay, just 135. And we'll just turn this off. Okay, everything's okay. Tyres aren't warm yet. We'll leave the fans on a little bit. And get ready for another run. Quick adjustment. Okay, time for another run. Let's see what we can do this time. Okay, peak speed zeroed out. Okay, gonna warm up the tyres this time. Okay, GPS is working. Okay. 73 again?
It might have peaked higher before. It's a bit hard to see on this. It's on the GoPro though.
Alright. Okay, so we're at 143 with that first pull. Try and hit the throttle a little bit earlier. Okay, let's try and hit this throttle quicker. Okay, here we go. Ooh. So here's a recap of the last speed run. Bit of damage unfortunately on the roof where it slid for like 10 meters, but apart from that, no damage, and it was a good test to see what this new setup was going to perform like. So having a quick look with the body off, and everything's working okay. Fans were working good, and remember I just had a 29 tooth pinion, so 143 kilometers an hour with a 29 tooth pinion is pretty good. Obviously anywhere between that and a 34 pinion may really start to get some miles up in speed. Bit of a scuff on my GPMs, but they haven't bent and they're holding up. Obviously I wouldn't use this stuff for bashing, but for speed runs it's fine. And there you go. So thanks for tuning in to Wigan RC, and the Kraton shall be out soon for another speed run, and we'll try to get these 200 kilometers an hour with this sometime this year. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. If you've got some ideas of what you think is better than what I'm doing, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Okay, we're going to see signing off.